Hello everyone. Today I will start recording myself for 3 minutes every single day. I will do this because I want to improve my communication skill and my public speaking skill. Just 3 minutes in every single day. I will track my progress on these recordings. This recordings is raw from the start of the record and from the end of the record. No editing. Also, yes, I do this because I want to improve my communication skill. Also, like this one, I want to track my progress. Like that, this time I'm not, I have spaces, pauses like that. So this is the first day. This recording is no exact topic. It's all about anything that I will presenting about goals, life, anything, just for 3 minutes every single day. We will track it. Maybe by the next 10 day I'm improving. My communication skill is improving. Yes, we will be focusing on this one, communication and public speaking skill. Also, I want to control my voice, like how leaders speak, how politicians speak, like that, just for 3 minutes. This is the first recording. Let's see the progress. Today is April 28. Yes, April 28. And that's it. See you on the next video.